Good day and welcome again to our another discussion on English language. We will be looking today at error recognition. I trust that you will find this presentation enlightening and useful. I am your presenter, Anush Harrison Jackson. The objectives of this presentation are as follows. 1. To understand the different types of errors that may be in a sentence. 2. To understand by giving examples of the following: misplaced modifier, dangled modifier, redundancies, cliches, faulty grammar. And 3. To complete activities on error recognition. What is error recognition? Error recognition is one of the topics that students will be tested on in the CSEC English Paper 1 examination. This area will test the students' ability to identify the given errors within sentences. What are some of the errors in sentences? As you may recall, some of the errors that are observed in sentences are: 1. Cliches. 2. Redundancies. 3. Faulty diction or grammar. Under the heading for faulty diction or grammar, you may have a error with regards to homophones. You may also have an error with regard to the punctuation or the misuse of punctuation marks or the lack of punctuation marks. You may also have an error in the sentence with regards to the tenses, incorrect or inconsistency of tenses. You may also have an error with regards to misplaced or dangled modifiers, and also an error with regards to subject-verb agreement. A sentence contains a misplaced modifier when there is a word or a group of words that is not in its correct location or place. Examples: 1. The red sailor with the bag waved goodbye to his friends. The correction: the sailor with the red bag waved goodbye to his friends. Here, the word red is misplaced. The sailor is not red, but the bag is red. Hence, the misplaced modifier has to be placed as close as possible to the word it modifies. And in this case, it is modifying the bag and not the sailor. A sentence is said to dangle when there is no subject to refer to. As a result of this, the sentence is ambiguous. Examples: 1. Looking through the window, a bouquet was seen. Correction: looking through the window, Susie saw a bouquet. Example number 2. Visiting the zoo, a rabbit was seen. Correction: when I visited the zoo, I saw a rabbit. Cliches. A cliche is an overused expression. This expression is considered worn because it is often used. Hence, it has lost its vitality or freshness. A cliche can be a metaphor, it can be a simile, it can be personification, or even a proverbial expression. Example: she worked as busy as a bee to complete the task. As busy as a bee is the cliche. A sentence is said to be redundant when there are two or more expressions or words that convey the same idea or thought. Example: he climbed up to the top of the mountain summit. Correction: he climbed to the top of the mountain. Let us see how well you understand how to recognize errors. Identify the errors in the given sentences as follows. A. If the sentence contains redundancies or repetitive statements. B. If the sentence contains cliches, mixed metaphor, or mixed use metaphor. C. If the sentence contains faulty diction or grammar. And D. If the sentence is acceptable as it stands. Number 1. The man told the girl that it is important to practice before they perform. Number 2. The teacher told the girls that truancy is unacceptable and objectionable and she would not stand for it. Number 3. The old lady told them that they should make hay while the sun shines. Number 4. Weaving the bag, the needle broke. Number 5. I am so exhausted, exclaimed the little girl. The answers to the practice activity are as follows. Number 1, C. Number 2, A. Number 3, B. Number 4, C. And number 5, C. If there are any problems or questions with regards to any of the practice questions given, please leave them in the comment box below. Thank you. Before you attempt this activity on error recognition, please read over the information that was presented or revisit the information presented and then complete the activity. Share your responses in the comment box below. I trust that you have found this presentation useful. Remember, students, to share your comments, answer the questions, post your responses. God bless you. I trust that you have found this presentation enlightening. Remember to leave your comments, share, like. God bless you.